Hey, Mr. Magic, show us a trick. Oh no, you've left the house unprepared. It's Tag-A-Magic to the rescue. With Tag-A-Magic, you openly break a plastic tag off your everyday keychain. The spectator hears the snap of the plastic and clearly sees the broken tag. But with a simple wave, the broken tag is completely restored. Just watch as the broken tag is visibly restored back to its original condition. Amazing! But wait, there's more. In an instant, the restored tag pops back on your keyring. The plastic tag apparently melts through metal to return to its original position. You broke it, you restored it, and like real magic, it's back where it belongs. And yes, it's fully examinable. But wait, there's still more! Tag-A-Magic also has a handy B-side filled with hidden effects just waiting to be revealed. Stupendous psychological forces, a mathematic mind-bender, a perfect pasteboard prediction, and a classic mental miracle using the spectator's very own smartphone. It's guaranteed fun for all. You'll never be unprepared for magic again. Tag-A-Magic transforms you from zero to hero. Thanks, Tag-A-Magic.